And today I'm going to share with you the heart math practice called Heart Lock-In, which is one of the great practices for helping you get into a state of compassion and helping you radiate that compassion to others who need it without causing overwhelm to your system. This has a lot of great health effects, and over time, the state of compassion can actually become a trait, something that you naturally will do without even having to think about it. So go ahead and join me. This practice, you can start by sitting, and then eyes can be closed in this practice. A lot of our heart math practices, we keep our eyes open, but in this one, we close our eyes. And if it feels good, go ahead and place your hands on your heart. So just begin to slow your breathing down to a comfortable pace. Some people find the pace of 5 to 6 seconds on the inhale and 5 to 6 seconds on the exhale is comfortable. But if something else works better for you, go ahead and try that. Step 2 is to make a sincere attempt to activate a feeling of love or appreciation. And the easiest way to do this is to think about someone or something you love. It could be a person, it could be a pet, it could be a place, it could be nature, whatever is easiest that helps you access that feeling of love or appreciation. So continue to breathe slowly in and out of your heart center while activating this feeling of love and appreciation. What we're doing is we're warming our heart up, which increases the effectiveness of a compassionate practice. Step 3, this is where we radiate feelings of compassion and care to groups or people or to anybody in need. And I'm going to suggest, if you don't mind, that we send it out to all people affected by the war in Ukraine. So let's send our deepest care and compassion to people directly affected by the Russia-Ukraine war. This includes the people of Ukraine, soldiers, refugees, even people in Russia who are saddened with the pain in their hearts regarding the invasion, and many others throughout the planet. So send out those feelings of care and compassion to all of these groups affected by the war in Ukraine. And you may be affected by the war in Ukraine, so don't forget to re-radiate these feelings into and for yourself. Now, from this beautiful place of deeper care, visualize your heart's care contributing to a global heart awakening of collective compassion on the rise as a result of all the stress that we've experienced in the past few years. And finally, close by envisioning humanity realizing that war is a thing of the past and that we need to come together in the heart to work things out. So this is the heart math heart lock-in, which is so effective for creating compassion. And compassion is not the same as empathy. Compassion is uplifting and will be a call to action for us, whereas empathy often is us feeling the suffering of others and it depleting us. So I hope this has been helpful. This is Andrea Trank. Namaste.